Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about the Kryptonite Ultimate Steering for your truck. Let's talk about application here. Now, Kryptonite makes this kit for 2001 all the way to 2024 Duramax trucks. That's going to be the GM or Chevy 25 or 3500s with the four-wheel drive. Now, there are two different part numbers from 01 to 10 and 11 to 24, so make sure you are selecting the right year for your truck. As far as what comes in the kit, we got basically everything here on the table. As you can see, we got a nice beefy center link. We've got an idler arm, idler support, pitman arm, tie rod ends, and this gusset here. This is all going to make sure that your truck steers and is essentially bomb-proof on the front. You're not going to be doing that Chevy shimmy that we've all seen on YouTube all the time. As far as add-ons go, the sway bar end links are an option on the website. I highly recommend them if you have lifted or leveled your truck to make sure that your steering geometry stays correct. Special note here, especially for the older trucks, this is mostly going to be for the 01 to 10 style. If you do have the older center link or the drop center link style lifts on your truck, this may not work with it. So make sure you check onto that and make sure that you're not getting this for something and you may not have it work with what you have already on the truck. This is mostly going to apply to those older Pro Comp or older FabTech lifts from the early 2000s. So for you guys that are running like the 11 and ups, really not too much of an issue for you. Pretty much just the 01 to 10s, need to watch out for that. One of my favorite things about Kryptonite is their warranty. You can race it, jump it, off-road it, sled pull it, lift it, lower it, wreck it, whatever. If you break it, they will replace it. It's the kind of warranties I like to have on this side of the counter. They also come very well packaged. High quality boxes and high quality foam inserts to make sure that these parts don't clank around and they're going to arrive to you in perfect condition. If you have any questions on this front end kit, feel free to reach out. We have sales technicians on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday, to give you the best tech support in the industry. If you don't have time for a phone call, no worries. Email us, hit us up on social media, the chat feature on the website, whatever works best for you. We are here again to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.